उस बारे में ज्यादा जानकारी के लिए बात कर सकते हैं अपने संवाददाता सिद्धांत सिब्बल से। सिद्धांत, यहाँ पे दो तथ्य, एक तो रुपया सबसे नीचे स्तर पे, एक साल के नीचे स्तर पे गया है, सेंसेक्स भी नीचे गया है। क्या इसे जोड़ सकते हैं जो ये आंकड़े जीडीपी के आंकड़े हैं, क्योंकि ये आंकड़े इनका अनुमान पहले से था, किस तरह के होंगे?
वेल एक्सपेक्टेड लाइंस पे आए हैं 5%. It's a decadal low. This is the bad news of the day. Of course, the rupee is falling for 1 year. It's not actually connected. Basically, rupee is falling because of the dollar outflow, because the Fed has said that it might just unwind the stimulus which it did for the American economy. But continuing with the whole GDP story, the bad news, of course, is 5%, a decadal low. But the good news is the economy is set to grow from this low of 5%, because the primary reason is the number of reforms the government has taken. Remember when the Finance Minister P. Chidambaram took charge in September, after that he took number of reforms which includes FDI in retail, FDI in aviation sector, deregulation of petrol, partial deregulation of diesel, which has given a buoyancy in the market, more upbeat mood in the market. And of course various estimations for this financial year 2013-12 are positive. They are around 6%. Of course the lowest is by Nomura and Standard Chartered, which is around 5.8%, which is much higher than the current GDP numbers which came out. And the highest is around 7.2%, that is by the Center for Monitoring of the Indian Economy. So upbeat mood. And remember, yesterday the OECD, or the Organization of Economic Development, it's a West-based think tank, said that the Indian economy is now the third largest economy. Remember, despite slowing down to 5%, we are now the third largest economy, only next to China and the US.
जी, लेकिन सिद्धांत, जो चिंताएं थी जो पिछले वित्त वर्ष में थी और जिसका नतीजा 5% विकास दर का रहा है, वो चिंताएं थी वैश्विक आधार पर। जिस तरह से जो है उथल पुथल का दौर हमने यूरोप में देखा, जिस तरह से हमने बेरोजगारी की दर अमेरिका में देखी, और जो तमाम तरह की समस्याएं वैश्विक स्तर पर थी, वो बहुत हद तक सेटल होती हुई नहीं दिखाई देती हैं। ऐसे में आपको लगता है कि इन आंकड़ों के अलावा जो उम्मीद हम कर सकते हैं अगले वित्त वर्ष और चालू वित्त वर्ष से, वो पूरी होंगी और वो 6% के लक्ष्य तक पहुंचने में आसानी होगी, आपको लगता है?
Yes, of course, we can reach to the level of 6% this financial year because of the reforms taken. Remember, last year the basic cause was the global environment. The global environment is still continuing to be bad, but the good point is that Indian policymakers have gone for a number of reforms which has led the, I should use the word, the tiger spirit or the animal spirit, which Dr. Manmohan Singh himself used, has unleashed that tiger spirit. And that is why we can expect the economy to grow despite the fact the Eurozone is still not doing well. America is still in recession stage. Of course, the Asian economies are now catching up back.
जी सिद्धांत, लेकिन जिस तरह से एफडीआई रिटेल की बात करें, अभी तक उसमें कोई बहुत कंक्रीट प्रस्ताव और उस तरह का अभी तक जो है फ्लो इनफ्लो उस तरह से आया नहीं है। इसके अलावा ये भी कहा जा रहा है कि जिस तरह से जो कई महत्वपूर्ण विधेयक थे, चाहे वो बीमा विधेयक है, चाहे वो बैंकिंग सुधार विधेयक, जो तमाम तरह के जो सुधार के विधेयक थे, वो भी अभी तक जमीनी स्तर पर नहीं उतर पाए हैं। तो ऐसे में क्या आशंकाएं कुछ होती हैं?
Well, I would like to say that economy sometimes work more on intent than sometimes on ground. Talking about retail, we have seen action on that front. We have seen IKEA giving its nod not on ground, but of course it has given its nod that it will invest in the economy. And given the fact that we have seen two major deals in the aviation sector where FDI was allowed, that is the Tata deal and the AirAsia deal. So there are a number of deals taking place. So of course the mood of pessimism which you describe is not so much so in the ground. And of course the RBI has cut 75 basis points since January. 16th of June will be the next date to watch on the economic front, when the RBI comes out with another of its policy. And we of course now can see the pressure growing on the on RBI to cut more interest rates so that the economy can be revived back. We saw the dilemma which RBI was, inflation versus the growth dilemma, and now the inflation has also come below the 5%. Remember, the wholesale inflation is at 4.8%, and GDP is at 5.5%. So almost they are touching together. Now, of course, all the bets will be on GDP numbers, on growth.
निश्चित तौर पर तो उम्मीद कर सकते हैं कि जो चालू वित्त वर्ष है वो 6% या उससे पार पहुंचेगा। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सिद्धांत इन तमाम चर्चाओं को हम तक पहुंचाने के लिए। और यहाँ पर रुकना है छोटे से ब्रेक के लिए। अब बने रहिए डीडी न्यूज़ के साथ।